spelling.
Max, I'm so proud of you.
Okay, go ahead and spell it for me. B-I-R-D. Bird. Beautiful. I like that.
Good job.
With that M. What's next? Good choice.
Who is that? Who is it? That's Mom. You're right. Okay, Max, we're going to give you some extra letters, so it's Chicky.
All right, here we go. M-O-M. Good job.
Awesome, Max. You want to do one more?
Oh, I love that one. I love it.
What is it? Who is that?
Okay, here you go. This is
Wow.
our song, okay? How do we spell it? You ready?
Yes.
M-A-X spells Max, Max, Max. M-A-X spells Max. M-A-X